I'm in desperate need of content. We have decided, I have decided.
She has decided.
Here it is. We're going to McDonald's and getting 100 chicken nuggets.
What do you do on your Friday night? Where are we?
McDonald's.
Oh boy. I'm loving it, bitch.
My bank account ain't loving it. I made a lot of really stupid purchases in my whole life. Like this Jeep.
Talk to Bessie.
I love Bessie, I'm sorry. But 100 chicken nuggets. It's topping it. That is really stupid. And what about like the calculations?
How may I help you?
Can I have 5 20-piece chicken McNuggets?
Any sauce?
What sauce do we want?
Barbecue.
Barbecue, and sweet and sour.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Regretting her decision.
Alright, it will be $27.51.
Thank you. I've made smarter investments in my life. Wait, I shouldn't show my card number.
What's that?
There's nothing on it anyway after this purchase. I wish I was kidding. Don't even. Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video.
She's like, what?
Yes! She knew that this would be me. Like, you should have known that I would be the one pulling in for this. Wow, this is a bad purchase. Hey!
Can I see my card again?
I need no! Oh my god.
You're gonna have to blur so much stuff in.
I'm so stupid. This is so stupid.
Wait, no.
Honestly, I think at this point I might just drive the Amish like my grandma.
Or just Uber or Lyft. It's fine.
I'm not Uber or Lyft. The Amish pay more. I'm not even hungry.
Me.
This is such a stupid idea. Oh, it's Joe and his wife.
You know Joe?
Yeah.
I know Joe.
Joe has my pet squirrel.
Oh.
Joe's that guy. You know you live in a small town when you know the same Joe. I'm loving it. Oh my god, it's Charlie Dick.
Oh, I'm keeping it on. Charlie Dick's funny.
Yeah, but he's gonna be like this fat ass bitch.
I don't think he will.
I would. They just got a whole carload of food, so
Yeah.
they better not give him 100 nuggets.
He'll probably think we're just having a party, right?
No.
Yeah, you're right.
I don't have parties.
We're friends together.
Story of my life.
Why the fuck?
I'm doing the challenge on my YouTube channel.
I'm gonna be featured in that video.
You will be. I got it. Thank you.
Is it good?
They fucking hate me. I'm the bitch. What the fuck? I just spent $30. And like a lot of you YouTubers think that's like pocket change, but to me that's paycheck. that's like my bank account.
Pocket change.
Why do you think I'm a YouTuber? I'm struggling and I'm not. She hates me. I hate me. They hate me. You just sit. The whole line behind me hates me. These people that don't even know me hate me. I thought that guy was gonna kick my ass.
I wanted to get him, but I don't know who he is.
Who's the manager? Oh my god. Oh.
I get the bag and flip it and tumble it.
Oh my god, I hate us.
I hate us more. Oh my god, put those fucking nuggets on your feet. We're not losing the nugget. 100 chicken nugget challenge. It's a big one, I know. My head's getting blocked
I'm a
up.
big one.
I'm gonna be a big one after this. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Boom. What the fuck was I thinking? Why did I say boom every time I'm sorry.
Sponsor. Boom.
Do not fuck up, you stupid bitch.
God damn it, boom. guys. What?
I'm waiting for you to introduce me.
Oh! Where was I? Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Kent. I already did that. Oh, shit, but I already spilled the nuggets everywhere. This is my best friend, Lindsay, also known as my manager. That doesn't get paid. That doesn't get paid, because I'm not getting paid. Anyway. Okay, ready?
No, you're stressing me out. No. Do we have to do a timer? I don't think we need so.
Maybe we don't need this.
Oh, the timer, yeah.
I'm just excited to eat. Okay, guys, I moved it closer because you couldn't see anything and it looked bad. So, 100 chicken out.
Dig in.
Dig in, bitches. Begin. Not even that good.
I can't do this.
I'm not even like hungry, but like.
Can you slow down?
Second one right here.
I'm stressed. Oh. You have a bitch choke.
I have to fart. I might need to stress poop.
Solid 10 right here. Oh, what a chicken dinner. Chicken dinner for me.
I'm a chicken.
I'm a chicken nugget!
I'm gonna be.
I'm gonna look like a damn chicken nugget after this chicken nugget experience.
I got 4.
Are you really only on 4? I'm on 10!
Solo boot. Where just like the moment.
I got a 4. I'm on 11, by the way. I don't know sign language. I don't even know English.
Zoom in on my pitch sting.
Okay. You guys thought I was fat before. You can only imagine. Oh my god. Dude, imagine Michaela was here. She'd be like, Diet who?
Michaela, you mean?
Yeah. Fit. She's gonna be so mad I butchered her name. I'm sorry. I love you, girl. She would literally be like, she'd already be done.
I don't know.
She'd be like, fuck you guys. Oh my god, I got 4! I'm gonna light a candle because it smells like chicken nuggets in here. Throwback to when I turned my car into a spa.
Can you grill my chicken?
I can't light the other one, but I hate burning candles uneven. Can you do it?
No, it doesn't matter.
What doesn't stress you out?
Puppies? Well, except ones that are running loose and you don't stop for them.
Okay, listen. Story time. So today we went for ice cream. Yeah, I know. Ice cream, then chicken nuggets. I got a fart again! Okay, so...
Already farted?
No,
Okay.
it wasn't loud. You'll trust me, you'd hear this one. Okay, so, long story short... No, I'm not even... Okay. We went for ice cream, and we were taking the back road by my old house. And there was this puppy that came running on the road. Actually, it's probably a full-grown, like, whatever the ugly-ass dog is.
No, it was small. It was a Yorkie.
I don't like them dogs. They're just yipping
like
you.
I'm just kidding.
Anyway, so, you know, I'm really good at telling stories, can you tell? I kept driving by, like, a dog wasn't close to me. I was just driving by. He was on the other side of the road.
Continue.
Anyway, I just kept driving. And she was like, a puppy! A baby! And I just didn't stop, so I didn't see the problem, but whatever. Like, I wasn't gonna pick up someone's dog.
I was gonna get hit.
But it's someone's dog.
It could have been my dog.
No, Wendy.
Yeah.
He had a home.
No, why was he running away?
He just had a rough day, okay?
Ha 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 ha. Oh my god, get it? Like, woof, rough, rough. Ha. Oh my god, I'm so funny.
I need a drink. I feel like I'm doing ASMR again. Sorry, I'm gonna die now. Well, zone back in, bitch. We're eating nuggets. Ugh.
I'm not feeling well.
It's okay. It hasn't kicked in yet for me. Okay. I feel if anyone I could have picked to eat this with, I picked you. Like, not to be like a dick, but like, you don't eat.
I eat. I don't think I'm anorexic. Oh wow, my ears are warm.
Oh my. No, but like, so many people I could have had that would have eaten better than you.
Literally anyone.
Literally.
You should have done this with like Cerulli.
I was thinking more like
Stuart. No, she found me soon.
that one hurted. I'm keeping that in. Please give me extra.
Only eaten. Hold on, let me count one. 13.
Ew.
You're supposed to say that's a good one, jerk.
No, I thought you were throwing up again. Oh my god, I hurt.
You know what?
You know what, bitch? Talk for yourself. Hey! Number 20 right here. Yo! 30 more to go for me, baby. Woo!
Currently 30 minutes in.
How long are we in? Okay, 12 minutes. It's 12 minutes on my watch.
Definitely says
Yeah, but I started out early. 12 minutes in, I completed 20 nuggets. This shit's gonna hurt. Let me get started on my next box. People called me fat ass in school. They're not wrong. Okay.
No one calls you that.
No, they do.
How many kids did you want?
Why are you asking all the questions that have no answers? College? Hopefully, but I don't think I'm gonna get accepted. Future career? Undecided. Kids? Oh, hell no.
I really need to poop.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Wait, have I? Oh my god, this is my 20th.
About goddamn time, show everyone the box so they believe you, because I'm starting not to believe you. No, okay, so we're on. Both of us have 40 nuggets out of the way. I mean, together. 20 and 20. God, idiot. What are you doing?
How many did you eat?
How many have I eaten? I've eaten 21.
Oh, you're me.
I needed to take a break.
Well, I don't get a break, apparently.
I waited for you.
Can't we do, like, jumping off our roof?
Honey, I spent $28.57 or 71. I don't know. I spent too much for that. Sweetie.
I sound like my mom when I call her till her dropped out of nursing school. I can never can't. I really can't. Oh god.
The thing is I know that I can.
Ow.
I emptied out.
Oh no.
I'm like 23. I think. Maybe 24. I feel like I came too far and spent way too much money to not go better than now.
I can't. I'm gonna puke.
There was one last survivor at the name of Mackenzie Coon.
If you actually Fast and Furious.
That's gonna be my shit
You are a
sound.
fucking jackass.
If you don't know what she's doing, she's looking at all the movies I have under the table and just...
Dear John, please help me.
There's one tree on that hill I could kill myself with.
And what a lucky one.
The toilet. Everything! Everything!
What do you regret?
I vow to never eat this many chicken nuggets again. Don't make me
These
laugh.
chicken nuggets sure got the best of me. Oh,
Oh my god. That's not even nugget.
I don't know. I love saying that.
Oh my god. Ew, what's the thing like about having chicken in them? Wait, it is chicken. You can't chew anymore. We're at 24 minutes. We're at 24 minutes and
Just my body saying stop.
my body told me to stop when it started. I'm sorry.
Maybe if I poop, I could shove some more.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I don't know what to do. I just keep eating this.
I don't know how you're doing that. If I put one more in my mouth, I will puke.
It's like I'm chewing it, but I'm not. I'm just like swallowing.
I like chew on it and then I gag a little bit and I'm like, oh shit. Can't we just finish taping tomorrow or something? Can we just put this in close?
I'm not cheating.
It takes us a month to film this video.
This started off strong. I have 4 stacks of 3 and 1 stack of 2.
I need to join a sports team.
Wait. I have 14 in this box. How many did I eat?
26.
I feel like I've been munching for hours! What do you mean? Bro. They're not even good anymore.
I will never eat these again. Fast forward to tomorrow.
As I'm eating the cold ones out of the fridge. Oh, it hurts to get up. Okay. Yeah, I guess, like, if we wouldn't have went for ice cream and got those fries and stuff, and I would have been actually hungry, maybe I could have done this.
And I don't usually eat breakfast, and I ate breakfast this morning.
Yeah. And I ate, like, a pretty big lunch today, too. Whoever can eat 100 of these fucking chicken nuggets is absolutely fucking insane.
Hats off to you. Please cut that out.
I just don't want to throw up. Like, I feel like I could definitely keep going, but I knew I'd throw up. So, you know, together.
Wait, 50.
Then it dawned on me. Lindsay ate 25, ate 27. Honestly, I think I'd go for 30. Should I just go for 30? 27, 28, 29, 30. 3 more and I hit 30.
Do you want to cut my hair?
More. Oh no. I regret it.
You're doing great, sweetie!
I already regret it.
Honestly, please just edit me out of this video because I'm so annoying.
It hurts for me to swallow these. I don't feel good.
I know.
Alright guys, one more bite.
The next clip is us running out of the gym.
I can't afford the gym after buying all of it.
Yeah.
Alright guys. McDonald's!
Chill the fuck out.
$30 nuggets! I did it. Not 50, but 30. So over halfway there. I'm proud of myself. I'm gonna end this video because it's been so fucking long. I had 30, you had 25. That makes 55. So, I mean, we did eat a little over half.
Yeah.
I'm done. I can't look at them anymore, sorry. If you guys like this video, give it a good old thumbs up, because my gut didn't like it. I didn't like it. You guys should like it, because I spent a lot of money and now I'm broke. So please like it. Subscribe, because not all my videos are this bad.
Wait.
Throw up. That's always cool. Can't wait to throw up. This is what happened on a Friday night at my house.
We have to make a thumbnail like all those YouTubers do.
Oh,
Like they put it in the video and they're like, "Oh, make it thumbnail."
If I keep my mouth open anymore, I'm gonna throw up all over this fucking place. Bye, guys.